All right, my friends, hopefully you watched that first video already. If you did not, make sure you do go watch that. I was going to make you one with my fingers, and then my webcam just was not cooperating with me. So go ahead and watch that and let me know if you have any questions. It can be a great strategy to help you work on your nines facts. What I'm going to show you is make sure to add them to your note page. So if you don't have your math notebook with you, go ahead and go get it and then open it. And then you'll add your nines facts. So we have 9, or multiples of 9, I guess I could say. 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Sorry, that got a little squished at the bottom. It is interesting how there's the pattern. If you think about the 0 being in front of the 9, the tens place increases by 1, and the ones place decreases by 1, because we're only adding on 9 every time. So that's just a cool pattern. Also, if you look, notice with our 3s, so we have every number. 6s are like every other. 6, 12, 18, 24. And then if we look at 9s, it's like every third one. So if you do know how to count by 3s, you can actually use that also to figure out your 9 facts. You just need to skip a few, like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now, you'd have to keep counting by 3s to find the rest of your 9's facts, but that is an interesting thing to note as well. For your 9's assignment, it's just a caterpillar where you're just putting in the answers to the facts. There's not anything to color or fill in other than just the answer to those facts. You can color it if you want, but there's no like color guide mystery picture like there was for 3s and 6s. So good luck with your 9's facts.